what is the difference between JSP forward action tag and response dot send redirect? Okay, JSP forward tags, it performs forwarding the request operation. It performs performs forwarding the request mode operation, request mode of chaining or operation, whereas response dot send redirect, it performs send redirections, performs send redirections. I will explain what is send redirections. Already it's part of solid only, but time came now. It's my duty to go with all. Both source and destination program will use same request and response object. Same request and response object. Whereas in the case of response.send redirect method, it does not use or will not use same request and response object. It may use different also. Okay, fine. Source program passes the control to the destination program directly. Whereas in the case of response.sendRedirect, source program passes the control or sends the control, or you can call sends the control to destination program by having network round trip with a browser window. Request for data coming to source program is visible and accessible in destination program. So it is not visible here. So request data coming to source program is not visible and accessible in the destination program. So I can use the same here. Otherwise, let me add here request data coming to source program is not visible and accessible in destination program. Source and destination program must be there in the same web application. Source and destination program must be there in the same web application. Means by using JSP forward tag, I cannot communicate with the two different web application. Okay, two different web application. But in the case of response.sendRedirect, I can able to perform two different web application communication. So source and destination program can be there in same or in two different web application. Two different web applications of same or different servers. Okay. Next, destination program must be there as a Java program or HTML program. Destination program, destination program must be Java. Java means what here? JSP, okay, solids or any other web resource program like HTML. Must be Java program or HTML program. Yes, 6. Destination program there can be there as Java program or HTML or PHP or any other. Okay, because two different servers means different technology, different languages. Fine. Source program can pass the data to destination program as a request attribute or by using JSP param action tag. Okay, means I used to send the data from my source to destination. I can use request attribute, okay, request.get parameter, or I can use a JSP param tag. Okay, JSP param tag is a subtag of JSP forward. So here, if you want to pass data from your source to destination, in response.sendRedirect. So to pass additional data, we have to append, or programmer has to append has to append query string to the URL of send redirect method. Send redirect method call. Okay, and the next JSP forward is useful when source and destination program, okay, already done source and destination program resides in same web application. Here in different web application, already I have covered this point here. Okay, in same or different web applications, or maybe in different servers also. This is the most important point. So actually I have covered this point comes repeatedly. So this is useful when source and destination, as you write or don't write, you can skip this point. Destination program resides in, actually it doesn't mean that they should be in a different web application. You can use same web application also. Okay, response.sendRedirect can also be used in a same web application where source and destination program resides in the same web application. But there is a provision that you can use a response.sendRedirect to perform two different web applications, maybe in the same server or maybe in the two different web applications over two different servers. Okay, so useful when source and destination program resides in two different Already I covered two different. काय फायनल है सर? हाँ? RE. Okay, fine. This point is a duplicate copy of this point. This point is the most important. Okay. So, please pay attention to the fifth point, and please pay attention to the fourth point. Okay. So request data coming to the source and destination program is visible and accessible to the destination program, right? Destination program. Here, request and data coming to the source program is not visible and accessible in a destination. DSTI. Okay, destination program. These 2 points are more important. Okay, remaining all are similar to include and forward. Fine. So these are the major difference between to work with the JSP colon forward and response dot send rewrite methods. Now we can proceed with the chaining by using response dot send rewrite. Guys, is it clear? I hope you got some idea. All of you, all boys and girls. Huh? Okay. So that's what actually before going to the chaining by using response dot send director, it's my duty to give some brief information about response dot send rewrite. Already actually this point response dot send rewrite already covered in a servlet tutorials. Servlet tutorials. Okay. But now we shall see chaining by using response dot send redirect. Okay.